Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the rear bumper on a 2013 Honda Accord 4-door sedan. Start out by opening up the trunk and using a T30 Torx bit. You're going to remove these two bolts that are in the back. Next, come around to the side of the bumper, and there is two Phillips screws that need to come out. And then underneath this bottom corner is a standard Honda bumper clip, and using a flathead or even better a clip tool, you're going to want to take that out. It's just a two-piece clip. You can remove it by prying up on the center, and you're going to want to work your way around the clip to keep from breaking it. If you just try to pry up on one side, a lot of times these clips will break, so you want to pry up a little bit on one side and then come around to the other side, pry up a little bit, and eventually you'll work out the middle. And then once the middle's popped out, then just go ahead and pull it out using your clip tool or screwdriver. And then come up to where the bumper meets the quarter panel, and you're going to want to use a small plastic pry tool. You can get these on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description where you can get these and all the specialty tools that I'm using. And with one hand, you're going to want to pry out the bumper just very gently, and then with the clip tool, you're going to pry down in the slots that are in the bumper, and it releases it from the plastic spacer that's underneath. It has tabs that clip into these slots. And you're going to want to go up until you reach the tail light there. And here's a better angle. These are the slots that I'm prying down in, and it's releasing it from this plastic bracket right here. And you're going to want to make sure you do this on the other side also. Next, you're going to climb underneath the bumper, and we have two more of the bumper clips, the same thing as earlier that we removed, that we're going to need to take out. And again, using your flathead or clip tool, go ahead and remove those. And these clips on the bottom of the bumper here can get pretty grimy, and as they get older, they break pretty easily. So if you do end up breaking those, I'll link to where you can get these replacement clips. And once you have all the fasteners out of the rear bumper, go around to each side and just pull directly back on the end of the bumper. And that's it, guys. Bumper's off. Thanks for watching.